Assalamu alaikum and hello viewers. This is me Amna and welcome to Amna Memoir. I hope you enjoy watching and be sure to stay until the end of the video. Like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. So in this video I will show you a beautiful snowfall. Actually it's a snowstorm. For me, it's a beautiful snowfall because I love snow, and for others who don't like, it's a snowstorm. It was a heavy snowfall and it broke the record of 13 years. So one day before we receive a lot of announcements and a lot of messages from the weather, from the school, from the Mayor Mamdani also address that stay at home, stay safe. It's a heavy snow. It is expected like 3 to 4 inches or maybe more than that, and also a freezing cold outside is also a slippery. And there's also a message from the school that there will be remote learning on Monday, and today is 25 January 2016. So if you like snow, go and enjoy, have a pictures, and if you don't like, stay at home. And in both conditions you have to be safe and have some groceries. And you can see right now a truck is clearing the snow. Lots of people cleaning from the outside their houses and from the road. So basically today is a snow day and a heavy snowfall actually. So guys, stay warm, enjoy, stay safe, and try to be at home. But if you need something change, you can go, but careful because there's a heavy snowfall, roads are slippery and freezing cold. I go for half an hour and it was so it was so cold. So stay with me, watch, enjoy, explore, keep watching, keep motivating. Thank you.
Attention passengers, rainforest and station platforms may be slippery today. Be careful as you get on or off the car, or as you take the stairs. Thank you. Attention passengers, rainforest and station platforms may be slippery today. Careful as you get on or off the car, or as you take the stairs. Thank you.
Tak, są moi.
Oyunun burayı ya.
What is wrong?
You can see cars are covered. Let's cross from here. वाह यार, बहुत ज़्यादा स्नो है और ठंड भी बहुत ज़्यादा है. स्नो का तूफान आया हुआ है. So this is the biggest snowstorm since for 2 years. Look at the snow all over the snow. घरों की छतों के ऊपर भी स्नो है, गाड़ियों के ऊपर भी इतनी तेज़ हो रही है. और यार wow, this is beauty. Look at the tree. Wow, amazing. Everyone is staying at home, inside the home. Today, schools are closed, there's a remote learning, important meetings are cancelled, some flights are cancelled, somewhere internet issues, really a problem. Look at the trees, they're looking so beautiful. दरख्त कितने प्यारे लग रहे हैं. स्नो, बहुत हैवी स्नोफॉल हो रही है. ठंड भी बहुत ज़्यादा है. इस स्नो स्टॉर्म की बड़ी प्रिकॉशंस आई हैं, बड़े मैसेजेस आए हैं. बहुत सारे लोगों ने कहा टेक केयर करें, बहुत ज़्यादा स्नो हो रही है. वाओ, दिस इज़ ब्यूटीफुल. It's a heavy snowfall. Wow, amazing. ये कितना प्यारा लग रहा है. किसी का गार्डन है शायद. This looks so cute, full of snow. Oh my god, this is too much snow. I love the snow. मुझे स्नो बहुत पसंद है. Especially come out to see the snow and thinking why not to make a vlog for you guys, so you guys see how the snowstorm hit New York 2024. 2 सालों में ये biggest snowstorm आया. जो स्कूल बंद हो गए हैं, मीटिंग कैंसिल हो गई हैं, फ्लाइट्स कैंसिल हो गई हैं, वेदर फोरकास्टिंग आ रही है, सब कह रहे हैं प्रिकॉशंस लें. वाओ, अमेजिंग. It's beautiful. This is amazing. Look at this house. It's full covered of snow. पूरा घर भरा हुआ है snow से. Roads are clear because workers are there to clear the road. But sidewalk you can see how much snow is there. Snow साफ करने की गाड़ियाँ आती हैं ना, उनकी ड्यूटीज़ होती हैं. Wow, amazing. Beautiful. See, everything is covered in snow. Even the garbage boxes are covered in the snow. Wow, this is beautiful. See this garden. The other one, sorry. This one. Wow, this is so beautiful. It's very cold and very cold. It's like minus maybe 17 feel like. Look at the mess. Oh my god, too much snow. और रोड बहुत ख़तरनाक है, पूरी स्लिपरी हुई है इस वक्त. This looks so beautiful. So this is a video of today's snowstorm in New York. Today's date is 13 February 2024 and it's the biggest snowstorm since from the 2 years, where temperature is very down, snow is heavy snowfall, schools are closed, some flights are cancelled, appointments are cancelled, warning signs, messages are coming all over from the school, from the internet stopped. There is some problem in the internet and their message because of this heavy snowfall, so everything is stuck. People also at home, you can see a lot of cars parking because people are at home to be safe. Roads are slippery, although everyone is trying to fix it, everyone is doing their work, but still now like it's a problem. The snow is very beautiful. I love the snow, especially come out from my house to make a video and also experience this beautiful snowstorm. Some people are shoveling over there. Wow, it's like a fairy tale. So beautiful. वेरी ब्यूटीफुल, बहुत ही प्यारा लग रहा है. वाह, देखो वो रोड कैसे, गाड़ी कैसे लेकर आ रहा है. ही इज ड्राइविंग सो लो, यू डोंट वांट टू स्लिप. Everything is covered with the snow and everything looks so beautiful because snow is fresh and clean. Wow, amazing. It's approximately 2 inches of snow, I think so. It will raise with the passage of time. Roads are very slippery. Please, everyone, take care. Really slippery roads. Wow, everything is covered with the snow. Amazing.